Absolutely. So gig work has a number of components that try and tackle each of these things. There's a big skills component, of course, to help two categories of people. One is there's some people that already have these skills because there are lots of empowerment programs that already happen, whether it's at state level, at national level. And so they have the skills, digital marketing or graphic design or video production or UI UX. For those people, their skills pathway takes them straight into understanding the gig work platforms, how gig work works, how to navigate your way on these platforms, but also financial management, because if you think about it, being a freelancer is like having a solo enterprise. So you have to have the financial skills, the business management skills. So the guys on the growth pathway, we call it, go straight into that skills cadre. But the people who don't have the skills already, we also have a skills package through partnerships with skills providers. And the skills are all online, asynchronous, and so you can do it in your own time. But we've partnered with 20 hubs across the 10 states in which we're going to be delivering the program so that people who don't have laptops, who don't have internet, who don't have power, can go and still access those online courses from the hubs that we're working with in the 10 states. So there's a skills piece. Then there's a financial services piece where we're working with financial services providers, pension providers, insurance providers, credit providers, to, on one hand, design products that fit the gig work patterns, but on the other hand, to provide credit, because when you finish learning and it comes to time to work, if you haven't got a laptop or you haven't got a dongle or you don't have power, you need to buy those things before you start earning or early in your journey as you start earning. So part of what the program will do is work with financial service providers to provide credit for them to be able to purchase these devices. And there are different schemes. Some will be pay to own, and so there will be different models with the credit provision. Then there's the perceptions piece. We're doing a lot of, we will do a lot of public advocacy targeted at the different categories, communities, law enforcement, young people themselves, to start to change the mindset about gig work. But we'll also do, and we're also doing a lot of targeted engagement with gig work platforms to try and understand, fine, can we break down the issues that you have? And we know what some of those issues are, right? They're trying to protect against fraud. KYC processes are quite difficult. Dispute resolution issues are quite difficult. And so through the project, we'll figure out a mechanism through which, at a granular level, we can solve those things for the platforms. If it's KYC, we can assure you that everybody who's in the gig work program, we've used a number of mechanisms from geolocation to national identity to verify who they are. We can become mediators in the dispute resolution process. So all of these things to say to the gig work platforms, what mechanisms do you need to be in place to assure you that this person on your platform is legitimate and is going through this program?
So they can work with you.
Exactly.